Easy clean ovens. What's so great about them? Well, there's a few ways they can really help. Well, first off, no chemicals. Manual cleaning requires powerful oven cleaning products, and there's no smell. Oven cleaning products can often have a nasty pong, and most importantly for me, less time and less effort. Manual cleaning takes a lot of elbow grease and a lot of scrubbing. But how do they work? Well, depends what type you have. So first up, you've got enamel ovens. These have an enamel lining that's smooth and slippery, so it's really hard for dirt and grease to stick to. Then there's steam cleaning ovens. Now a steam cleaning oven will usually have a specific easy clean button on the front. Just put a little bit of water in, put the easy clean, and it'll loosen up all that grease and dirt, and you can scrub it away. Still takes a little bit of elbow grease though. In an oven with a catalytic liner, the liners absorb food splatters, and then as you turn your oven up through the regular cycle, preferably over 200 degrees, all of that dirt just burns away. Now the thing to watch out with a catalytic liner is that they do need replacing regularly. That is, unless you get something with an external catalytic liner, like this Hotpoint Class 6 electric oven, which is exclusive to Currys PC World. A pyrolytic oven works in a similar way, except it's got a dedicated cycle. That's because it cleans at a much higher heat, around 500 degrees, and it does so for a few hours, like this AEG electric oven. So there are two settings, a 1.5 hour cycle or a 3 hour deep clean cycle that will leave your oven squeaky clean. All you got to do, whack it on, wait for a few hours, come back and wipe the ash away, zero fat. Plus, each one of these cycles is going to cost you less than £1, so you're saving versus cleaning products even over a long period of time. So there you go, the 4 main types of easy clean ovens. Speak to a colleague or go online to see which one is best for you.